kind of gusty, so it's probably going to flip a lot. It's usually best when it's kind of running right into the wind. It's best when it's like about 12. Of course, I couldn't get the camera to zoom. I wanted to set the zoom. Ooh, it's just like sailing. Tuka likes it. It's funny, the wind. The wind direction is pretty variable, so I'm surprised they weren't flying this morning. I thought I heard helicopters, but it must have just been a maintenance check ride. When it gets up on one wheel, you just kind of steer into the wind a little bit or let a little sail out. Same as sailing. Windsurfing. I've done a little bit of both. A lot of sailing, windsurfing. Used to have a 2-cam sail. Now they've got hard telling what the new rigs are. Woo! I've had this since it came out. Hobby King, I don't think they discontinued it. There's another guy that has one at the club, but he never brings his with him. He probably has trouble. You don't know how to sail. You don't know. I mean, you don't have to know how to sail, but it helps to understand. I need to. My main sheet that goes to the boom for the mast, I need to, it seems like the knot has slipped a little bit. I use spider wire fishing line, so I know it didn't stretch, but my knot slipped a little bit. There you go, messing around with the sail car.